let's go ahead and increase our OpenClaw security. I've put together a single message that you can copy and paste into your OpenClaw chat that will handle all of the baseline security for you. And you're going to find this linked in the video description. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the message here, and I'll paste it in right here. What this does is it tells your assistant to go to the official OpenClaw security docs and apply all of the recommended settings. It also sets approval gates, so your assistant has to get your permission before it sends messages on your behalf, deletes files, or makes network requests. And it will also add cost guardrails, so if a task fails 3 times, it stops, and nothing can run longer than 10 minutes unless you say otherwise. Combined with the spend limit you set earlier for your API keys, you'll be covered and you won't have any crazy charges. Now, once I send this, the assistant is going to run through everything and confirm when it's done. And here, as you can see, the assistant has reviewed the recommended security settings and made sure everything is configured properly. Now, the last thing I want to do here for security is go back into Hostinger. Switch back over to it here. And let's go over some of the tabs here on the left-hand side. Right now, we're currently in the Docker Manager. However, below this, you'll find your settings for your VPS, your operating system and panel, backups and monitoring, extra security settings, and your domain and DNS settings. Let's click into backups and monitoring here. And here is where you can configure your backup schedule. By default, it will be set to weekly. And then below that, you can create a snapshot. Right here, I'll click on Create Snapshot and create. This is going to save a copy of your VPS as it is right now. That way, if anything ever breaks while you're experimenting, you can restore back to this version in minutes. So I'd always recommend before doing any major changes to your VPS that you create a snapshot. And lastly, I'll switch back over to Telegram. And then from here, just start small. Get comfortable with how your assistant works before you connect anything sensitive. You can always add in more skills and continue expanding from here.